What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in, getting myself together, about to get ready to go do a interview, actually, to talk to some people about some upcoming work. And I wanted to say something to let you know how I know that companies don't give a fuck about us. Like, they'll use you to do the job, and they want to keep certain people on so they can say they're still in business. But they will figure out ways to make you feel like you're only worth a certain amount, so that way they can make a certain amount. So don't get yourself caught up in that situation. Literally, I have had jobs here tell me here lately, hey, we'll pay you X amount of dollars when we send you out here to go do the jobs. Please don't talk to nobody about what we paying you. Now, these other guys been here 5, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and you tell me, oh, don't say nothing about what you make, which I don't tell my left hand what my right hand doing anyway. But just for you letting me know that or saying that is telling me that you fucking these folks. They worth more than what you paying them. And they going through all this extra bullshit so that way they can say, oh, I belong to this so-and-so company. You ever met somebody like that? Oh, I work for so-and-so. I'm like, damn, are you taking vacations and trips? Do you got money in the savings like they got? Hey, man, I'm just gonna keep it real. And this is just how I feel about it. Use a job for what it is. It's an ATM. Get a check. But don't go all the way out, be faithful to a fucking job that don't care about you. You know, so build your brand. Start your business. Or just have something on the side. But don't be dedicated to a job and treat other people like assholes because this job is stepping on you and making you respond or react a certain way. Don't do that. Don't even put yourself in that type of situation. You know what I mean? Me personally, I would say, get your bag. But if you're focused on having a regular job, gotta be real cautious because, hey, they out to win. Literally. Beat you. So, unless you find you a good company, man, that's a team player, hey, to each his own. But until then, build your own brands. Hog on.